Right, now it's my brother's time to talk. Now he's gonna do something. I think it's adding it, but now, meanwhile, I'll talk about the books. Now here, should you get 5 minutes, because he's the man who operates the train, the extra mobile train, or whatever you call it. And then he's the man who's got the driver. He's the man who's the driver of the green truck that's taken apart because there's 2 halves of it. And he's got the coffee mug. Now, wait there, I'll do it. I'll do the rest in a minute. Well, if you click on that, well, you click that onto there, and you click that onto the nether end, that, let's go up. And sometimes you do miss. And then you put it, find it right there. And then you can just move it around. You can move the cooler crane. No, that isn't the cooler crane. This is the XSL mobile crane. Put that down and then. And the same with all the rest because.
And that concludes my Lego review of the construction site.
Now, also, if we just add this on, can I just get all of the construction site fixed? So if we just put everything down, and you can, don't worry, it's nearly ended, but it isn't ended yet. And then, you said it was my turn. And then you can clip on that. Sometimes it's breakable. Yes. It's hard to build as well. Yeah. And I built it all on my own, and then. Oh, and by the way, I've got to add something. These roofs can flip up like that. Yeah. Also, they can flip up like that. Yes. And all these bits. I think that's meant to be called the attic. Yeah, it's called the attic because it's the top of the roof. This is the top of the house. And every single bit of a house might break sometimes. It's a little problem because you have some flat bits and only a few of them. Yes. And it's still good. If I just add this one. And then now, after all, this review. And then we can lift up this again. Of course, we get this as well, don't we? Turnable. Oh, I've got to mention that there's a little driving keypad in there. You said it's my turn to talk. And there's also a little clip on this. And it might sometimes break. Let's break again. Okay. So